リヴァイ、大きくなったか？
Attack on Titan Season 4 is one of the most anticipated seasons of this year. And the Attack on Titans became famous because of the three reasons. One, the animation quality, second, the thriller and the story part, and the third is Levi Ackerman. Levi has already a number of significant fights in the Attack on Titan series. Here are the 10 best Attack on Titans fights of Levi Ackerman. In the world filled with dangerous monsters, Levi Ackerman proves humans can be even deadlier. The captain of Survey Corps is one of the most popular characters in all Attack on Titan series. His cool style and unparalleled skill in battle makes him an easy character to root for. Levi has some of the best moments throughout the 3 seasons of animes and 120 plus chapters of the manga of Attack on Titans. Though everyone's favorite Titan Slayer is sure add more moments to his resume before the series concluded. He has already had several significant battles under his belt. Here are all the best fights in Levi Ackerman's lives so far. On the 10th number, one of the best battle is the Battle of Trost. Levi's introduction to the series was executed perfectly and showed just how skilled the captain is at killing titans. After Eren successfully fills the hole at Walrose to prevent more attacks, his body is left weak and defenseless to oncoming titans. As Armin and Mikasa struggles to free Eren and take him to safety, they are surrounded by two large, huge titans. The titans fell on the ground as quickly as they appeared. Out of the sky, Captain Levi slashing through the titans with ease. Armin actually mistaken Levi for Mikasa, who had been the series' strongest fighting up until that point. Levi's easy and cool style of killing the titans made it clear that Levi is in the league of his own.
おい、ガキども。
On the 9th number, the fight is 57th Expedition of Beyond the Wall. After adopting Eren and company into Survey Corps, Levi is put in charge of the young Titan shifters as he accompanies them on his first excursion beyond the walls. Along with Levi, Eren and Mikasa were Levi's Special Operations Squad, an allied group of scouts that led the 57th Expedition Beyond the Wall to recover vital information in the fallen city of Shiganshina. Not long after they left, did Titan go to hell for the scouts as Titans surrounded them while another mysterious female Titan gave chase to Levi's and his squads. Levi delivers a harrowing speech to Eren about choice on the battlefield before dispatching a slew of Titans and aiding in the capture of the female Titan. This was the first time Levi's excellent leadership abilities were on the display. On the 8th number, the fight is the return to Shiganshina. Though it took much longer than expected, Levi and the rest of the Survey Corps were eventually able to return to Shiganshina. Their objective remained the same: acquire the information left by Grisha Yeager could be the key of defeating Titans. That was easier said than done, as chances of Colossus Titan and Armored Titan and also Beast Titan appearing was almost a certainty. Once the scout discovered Raynor hiding inside the walls, Levi wasted no time and immediately learned the former scout. His deadly quickness and anger provided an explosive confrontation to begin the battle of retake Shiganshina. On the 7th number, the fight is between the Levi Ackerman meets the Erwin Smith. If you don't know, there is a different series of Attack on Titans called as No Regret OVA, which is totally based on the Levi's past life and how he was before he joined the Survey Corps. Levi made a living in the underground slums of the Attack on Titans world by doing some less than legal activity with the help of some stolen ODM gears. When the new job goes wrong, Levi finds himself being pursued by an unrelenting Survey Corps. Levi's future commander Erwin Smith emerges from the shadows to quickly disarm him and convince Levi and his friends to put their skills to good use by joining the scouts. Seeing the first meeting of Levi and Erwin is a treat for fans because they are the scout regiment's two finest soldiers.
調査兵団に入ってやる。
On On the sixth number, one of the best movement is the female Titan fight. Fans were clamoring for Mikasa and Levi to team up as soon as the captain was introduced. And that's what they got when the scouts faced off with the deadly female Titan in the forest beyond the Walrus. The mysterious foe was on the run after taking Eren as a hostage. With Levi and Mikasa on her tail, Mikasa is left off with the Levi's speech and tenacity as he cut the female Titan down to size until she forced to release the Eren. After making the scout look like nothing more than a pesky flies, Levi and Mikasa were able to bring down the intimidating foe with relative ease. On the fifth number, one of the best moment is also when the Levi's last fight with the Kenny squad. Levi and Scout went from heroes to villains in a blink of an eye in the later chapters of Attack on Titans. Their bold challenges of the military police and the royal family lead to their persecution and pursued by a new anti-personnel squad. Their leader was Kenny the Ripper, a legendary murderer and an important figure from Levi's young life. But the climatic battle between the Special Operations Squad and Kenny's squad was a sight to behold. The setting of Rod Ray's underground cave along with the tactic displayed on the both sides made this one of the most memorable battles in all the series. On the fourth number, the movement is War for Paradise. As most of the fans who have already read the manga, most of you guys already know that season 4 is going to offer some fighting scenes that are far from over for Levi and the rest of his squad. I'm not gonna show any footages of season 4 because I don't have any footages of season 4 of course, and also I'm not gonna show any part of the manga chapters because people who haven't read the manga are going to get spoiled because of it. But I'm gonna explain a little bit about what happened. Enemies across the sea still threaten all the remaining Eldians living behind the Paradise Wall. Manga readers have already seen the beginning of this epic battle when the Wall of Paradise arc begins. Anime watchers will have to wait to see this awesome showdown between Levi and the various founding titans who fight for Merillians, but it is sure to be worth. So you will need to wait till 7 December when the Attack on Titan season 4 episode 1 is gonna come out. On the third number, the Levi's goes ballistic. The hidden gem of Attack on Titans in climatic conclusion to the previously mentioned No Regret OVA. In the final moment of the special series, Levi and his friends are confronted with a particularly evil looking titan. After his friends suffered with a swift death in front of Levi, Levi loses all the sense of control and tears the titans to shreds. This is the first time Levi tapped into the battle with that hardened spirit that lies in every member of Ackerman clan. During this fight, the bone-chilling atmosphere only adds to its supreme quality, and Levi is presented as an ultra-deadly force on the battlefield. His loss adds some context as why he is so cold when dealing with all the fallen comrades' deaths in the future. Levi rarely loses his control as he does in this fight. On the second number, my favorite moment is the chase through the streets when the Levi is fighting with the Kenny squad. Levi's final battle with Kenny squad was a sight to behold, but it is nothing compared to the masterpiece of these actions. Levi is forced to run after Kenny gets the jump on him, and it's non-stop action from there as both parties attempts to capture Eren and Historia. What follows is one of the most intense and fast-paced sequence of all anime. Levi proves to be no match for an entire elite squad, darting and slashing his way through the city streets to pursue Eren. Words truly can't do justice for this scene, as choreography and beautiful animation are second to none. On the first number, my favorite scene from the whole Attack on Titan series is when Levi slashes the Beast Titan. As Levi cut down dozens of titans in pursuit of the giant beast. As the Beast Titans finally notices his fallen soldiers, Levi leaps through the air with an intensity like no other. In the few swift moves, Levi had to cut the giant Beast Titan down to size and showed his blades through the mouth of Zeke. Never before had fans been threatened to such a dominant display of the power from Levi. It is truly an exceptional fight and one of the best scenes from the whole anime series. So yeah, that was the video guys about top 10 Levi Ackerman's best fight scenes and rage moments where he lost his control and almost killed every titan he had in his sight. So yeah, that was it. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10, top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.